2007 Chevy Tahoe. What we got done on it is still got the stocks converters right there and right there. Then it wires into single. Then we put a FLOWMASTER 40 series. Then still got the stock resonator on the back. And we got a 3.5" by 12 rolled edge tip right there. There's the FLOWMASTER 40 series. I'll let you guys hear it. If you wanted to keep it single, I'll let you guys hear it, how it sounds. Go ahead.
Inside 2015 Chevy Tahoe. Let you guys hear it. Sounds all right.
'2007 Chevy Tahoe. 5.3 liter. So this is the Tahoe again. We'll let you guys hear what we did after. So still got the stock converters there and there. Third one right there. Then we put a 3" pipe instead of the muffler. And then we put a 3" with a 4" tip. Double wall. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. That's how it came out. Go ahead. That's the stuff we took off right there. '2008 Chevy Tahoe 5.3 liter. What we got done on it, still got the stocks right there and right there, stock Cadillac converters. Then it's wired into a single flex pipe. Then we did a muffler delete and put a 3" pipe in its place. into 2.5-inch tailpipe. Then, you know, he doesn't want it too loud, so we left the resonator on it and put a nice shiny tip on it, 4-inch. We will let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much better. That's how old Chevy should sound. Dub 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 dub. Take it down the road.
...2007 Chevy Tahoe Z71 4x4. Still has all the stock catalytic converters and the flex pipe. We put on a 14-inch MAGNAFLOW duals with double wall tips, angled nice and tight. Beautiful work. Tips are beautiful, nice and tucked in. All you see is the tip, no piping. Oh yeah. Always gotta remember these mufflers break in after 30 days. Still though, nice and deep. Won't cause all that drone in the cabin. Got that Z71 badge on there. Gorgeous truck. And go Titans. We just had a new motor put in it, the 5.3. Nice and deep.
2007 Chevy Tahoe, 5.3 liter. We got stock cats on it. Then it comes into a single. Then we put a 3-inch, 2.5 FLOWMASTER Super 10. And then a 2.5 all the way back into a 4-inch tip, flat tip right there. Let you guys hear in a minute. He took that off. That was the old 40 series FLOWMASTER. It was too quiet. He wants it louder. So we're gonna make it louder for him. Much better. See what I mean now? Sounds way better than that. I told you. You don't need to have the duals to make it sound good. Yeah. It all depends on the muffler.
I can go a little straight over there.
better now with the black.
White
What? You don't like that black on it no more? Completes the look with the black tip, sold black.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid